it's the coldest planet in the solar system. Despite being farther from the Sun, Neptune is not the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus holds that title. The average temperature on Uranus plunges to a frigid -224 degrees Celsius, making it an icy giant in every sense of the word. This intense cold results from Uranus's lack of internal heat. While other gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn radiate significant amounts of heat from their cores, Uranus does not. Scientists speculate that the collision responsible for Uranus's tilt may have also disrupted its core, preventing it from retaining or generating heat. The planet's atmosphere consists primarily of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Methane absorbs red light, giving Uranus its striking blue-green hue. However, beneath this tranquil appearance lies a chaotic mix of clouds and storms, with wind speeds reaching up to 900 kilometers per hour. Understanding Uranus's extreme cold could provide clues about the processes that govern heat distribution in other ice giants and exoplanets. It serves as a natural laboratory for studying the outer limits of planetary climates and atmospheres.